Hello, and welcome to an Artsnacks unboxing. I have here the September Artsnacks box, and so I can't wait to get in here. Let's see what we got. The first thing I see here, of course, is our little snack. We got a little jawbreaker this time, so I haven't had one of these in a long time, so I'll have to see if I eat it or if I give it away. I'm not sure yet. So the first thing we have here is the Una Posca PCF 350 brush tip paint marker, and I have yellow. Retail value of this is $9.99. This is a staff favorite. The Uni Posca markers are loved by artists and creatives everywhere. An essential tool for creation and self-expression, this popular paint marker contains opaque water-based pigment ink that rides on all surface types. You'll find the odorless ink dries quickly and permanently. To use, shake the marker gently and pump the push button on the end to prime the ink into the brush nib. This next item is the Kuretake Zig Cambio Tambien brush pen. It retails for $9.80. Brush on some major color with the Kuretake Zig Cambio Tambien brush pen. Its water-based pigment ink will make your calligraphy and illustrations pop. Unlike other brush pens, you don't need to press the body of this pen for ink to flow. To use, twist off the pen nib, remove the yellow ring, remove the yellow cap, and retwist the nib onto the body. The ink will then slowly flow into the bristles after a couple of minutes. Our next item is the Faber-Castell Polychromos colored pencil. It retails for $2.90. Faber-Castell introduced their polychromo colored pencils to the world in 1908. Renowned for its high-quality pigments, this pencil delivers unsurpassed lightness, fastness, and permanent, rich color. Get ready to experience buttery smooth color laydown and sharp, fine lines. Our last item here is the Sakura Pigma Micron pen. It retails for $2.99. A must-have product for all artists, the Sakura Pigma Micron was made for everyday writing and sketching. This fine liner's needle tip is perfect for detailed illustrations. Best of all, the patented Pigma pigment ink is archival, reliable, and waterproof. And on this one, I got the size of 01, which I'm really happy about because I have a number of fine liners now that I've been getting that are the 0.5 size, but this one is really fine and I like it. So that's all the items in our box. So now it's time to sketch something with them. The blue and yellow I keep thinking of Dory from Finding Nemo. So I think I'm going to go ahead and try and do a quick sketch of her. And we are finished. I really like how she turned out. This was a lot of fun playing with. Like always, I always enjoy playing with all the supplies that Artsnacks sends. They always do a good job of picking out supplies that are very different. And that's why I enjoy it so much. It's like I really try out new supplies that I wouldn't normally try. So, and if you got the Artsnacks box, then I hope you enjoyed playing with the colors that you got. Thanks for watching. Bye.